Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will clear the measure of standard deviation in a discrete series by using step deviation method. Statement, I am writing down the statement. The values of x and f are given. The values of x are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and last one is 50. And the values of f are also given. The values of f are frequency is given because this is discrete series 2, 5, 7, 10, 15, 20, 25, 9, 5 and 2. So in a step deviation method, no need to calculate arithmetic mean, just we are assuming a central value and I have assumed 25 as an assumed mean. And next we will calculate dx, then dx dash, f dx, then f dx dash square. All the values we will calculate. So first of all, let us do calculate dx. For the calculation of dx, x minus a. So it means assumed mean will be subtracted from all the values of x. Minus 20, minus 15, minus 10, minus 5, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Then let us do calculate dx dash. Dx dash means when dx will be divided by common equal class interval, and common equal class interval is 5. All the values of x are divisible by 5. So minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. We will divide the values of dx by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then let us do calculate frequency multiplied by dx dash. Frequency or dx dash, both will be multiplied. Minus 8, minus 15, minus 14, minus 10, 0, 20, 50, 27, 20 and last one is 10. Next we have to calculate frequency multiplied by dx dash square. So if this dx dash and this dx dash both will be multiplied, then we will calculate dx dash square. So last two columns will be multiplied. It will be 32, 45, 28, 10, 0, 20, 100, 81, 80 and last one is 50. So let us write down summation sigma f dx dash and sigma f dx dash square is equal to sigma f dx dash is equal to 80 and sigma f dx dash square, the values are 446 and the value of n is equal to 100. Let us put the value in the formula of standard deviation is equal to sigma f dx dash square divided by n minus sigma f dx dash divided by n whole square whole under root and multiplied by c common equal class interval is equal to sigma f dx dash square is equal to 446 divided by 100 minus sigma f dx dash which is 80 divided by 100 whole square whole under root and common equal class interval was 5. is equal to 4.46 minus 0.64 under root and multiplied by 5 is equal to 3.82 under root multiplied by 5 is equal to 1.95 multiplied by 5 is equal to 9.77 is the value of standard deviation. So we have calculated standard deviation in a discrete series by third step deviation method. So discrete series was having three methods. We have already cleared direct method, then shortcut method, and third one was step deviation method. So that's all regarding this video, and do subscribe the channel to see all the videos related to standard deviation in continuous series. Thank you.